topic is photosynthesis. Okay, so the photosynthesis, that means, okay, it's a special process that takes place only in plants. Okay, so this is the special process that takes place only in plants. Okay, so first the photosynthesis. Okay, the word photosynthesis. Okay, so photosynthesis. Okay, so here you can see the two words, that one is photo and other one is synthesis. Okay, so what do you mean by photo? Photo is the light. Okay, so photo is the light, and synthesis is making. Okay, so the light and the making. Okay, so photosynthesis is that takes place especially in plants. This is the making of food using the light energy. Okay, so the making of food with the or using the light energy, that is photosynthesis. Okay, okay, so this photosynthesis especially takes place in green plants. I already told. Okay, so these green plants, they are autotrophic. Okay, so the green plants, they are autotrophic. Okay, so here the word autotrophic. Okay, so what do you mean by autotrophic? Autotrophic is that, okay, the organism that can produce their own food. Okay, that is autotrophic. So plants comes under autotrophic organisms. Okay, okay, here, so now I am going to explain about what is photosynthesis. Okay, so what is photosynthesis? Okay, so I told you, so this photosynthesis specially takes place in green plants. Okay, okay, so if this is the green plant, okay, this green plant is going to produce their own food. Okay, the process of photosynthesis. Okay, so there are some the important factors that needed for photosynthesis. Okay, so those are, the first one is sunlight. Okay, the first one is sunlight. Okay, so sunlight, I already told you, the light, okay, the making of food using light. Okay, especially the sunlight. Okay, so the first factor that is needed for photosynthesis is sunlight. Okay, the second one, the chlorophyll. Okay, the chlorophyll. Okay, the chlorophyll, it's a green pigment. Okay, that is specially present in green plants. Okay, it's a green color pigment. Okay, so this green color pigment, okay, it will absorb the sunlight. Okay, this green color pigment that is going to absorb the sunlight. Okay, okay, so this chlorophyll pigment will capture the sunlight. Okay, so now this plant got the energy, okay, through the sunlight. Okay, okay, so the first one is sunlight, the second one is chlorophyll. So for the photosynthesis process, the sunlight is the important factor. So this photosynthesis specially has to take place in daytime. Okay, during the daytime. Why? The sunlight is the important factor. Okay, okay, and the second one, and the third one is carbon dioxide. Okay, carbon dioxide. Okay, so carbon dioxide, what is carbon dioxide? You know, this is a gas. This is a type of gas. Okay, the type of gas that present in our atmosphere. Okay, so this carbon dioxide has to reach the green plant. Okay, so this carbon dioxide, how the plants can absorb the carbon dioxide? Okay, that is the special part. The special part that present in the leaves. Okay, if you take the leaves, okay, there will be a tiny holes on the surface of the leaves. Okay, the tiny holes that present on the surface of the leaves. Okay, especially in the lower surface. Okay, especially in the lower surface. So that is called stomata. That is called stomata. Okay, so the green plants that can absorb the carbon dioxide gas through the tiny holes called stomata. Okay, okay. So the next factor that is carbon dioxide. Okay, and the last factor that is water. Okay, water. So the water, okay, the water it will present in the soil. Okay, that will present in the soil. Okay, so this water has to absorb by the plant. Okay, so that the special part that is called root. Okay, roots. Okay, in the roots, okay, there are tiny hair-like structure. Okay, that is root hairs. Okay, that is root hairs. Okay, so through the root hairs, okay, the water that present in the soil, okay, that can absorb by the plant. Okay, okay. So the four factor. The first one is sunlight, the second one is chlorophyll, the third one is carbon dioxide, and the fourth one is water. Okay, so now, okay, these all characters or the all factors that will reach the green plant. Okay, one more important thing, the photosynthesis, the process, okay, that takes place in plant leaves. Okay, plant leaves. Okay, okay. So these all factors should reach the plant leaves. Okay, then the photosynthesis can take place in green plants. Okay, so the autotrophic, the green plants, they are autotrophic. Okay, so they can produce their own food. Okay, that is the special character. Okay, so if all the characters are present, this green plant is going to make their own food. Okay, so there will be a equation for the photosynthesis. Okay, so carbon dioxide gas plus water in the presence of sunlight and the chlorophyll. Okay, the green plant will produce their own food. Okay, so the food is the main product during photosynthesis. The food, this is the main product. Okay, and one more byproduct that is going to release during the photosynthesis, that is oxygen gas. Okay, so oxygen gas is the byproduct. Okay, so oxygen gas is the byproduct. Okay, so the main product is food and the byproduct is oxygen. So during photosynthesis, the food, okay, the green plants that will produce their own food and release the oxygen gas to the atmosphere.